Then we have another field called time. So it just lets you enter time, and then that's it. So let's say we'll call it class time, and we'll click save, click next, and save. That's it. So this would create a time field on your object. Values available after every 15 minutes. You can put a value of your choice as well. So and then the class time. So the class starts, let's say, at 1:30. So next is date time. So date time is a combination of two fields called date and time, where in the date section you get the pop-up calendar, and in the time section you can select the time. So let's see how we create a date and time field. Again, very similar. Click on the next, give it a time. So let's say we'll call it joining time, right? Okay, so we'll again do next and save. Right. So that's about date and time. So here you have the date section and the time section. So you can select the date or the time. There are values available after every 15 minutes. You can put a value of your choice as well. So let's say the joining time as 1 o'clock. Please share your questions, thoughts, and feedback in the comments section, and I'll get back to you.